Using the tree method, let's consider 144 and finding factors. 144. So we go 144 goes like this. Now look at it. What number can divide 144 conveniently without leaving a remainder? 2. Put your 2. 2 goes in 14, you have your 7. 2 goes in 4, you have 2. You do like this again. 2. 2 goes inside 7, you have 3. Remainder 1. Add it up to this, you have 12. 2 inside 12, you have 6. Then you go again. 2. 2 inside 3, you have 1. Remainder 1. Add it up here, you have 16. So 2 inside 16, you have 8. We cannot through. You go 2 and 18. Now 2 inside 18, you have 9. 9 is an odd number, so 2 will not go. So you go 3. 3 inside 9 is 3. And 3 can see divide itself. So 3 divided by itself is 1. Therefore, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. In index form, therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4 in index form, meaning 2 appear 4 times, 2 raised to power 4. And 3 appears twice. Raise it to power 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 2. And this is our answer. Thank you.